If time is currency, then energy is the real capital. At TESPAC, we try to empower people in order to make them energy independent. The aim for TESPAC is for people to have a complete mobile experience. In the future, at TESPAC, we envision that you will be able to charge all your mobile devices from our smart packs wirelessly. The idea of solar smart packs was born when I was in the Special Forces while on deployment in remote areas where we didn't have energy. Based on that experience, we started developing a solution that would enable extreme adventurers and people in the outdoors to create their own energy for their mobile devices while traveling. We needed to do what Tesla did for the electric car. We needed to create a product that was desirable, that was beautiful and practical. So in the last 12 months, TESPAC has been proven to be a reliable source of energy for filmmakers, for extreme adventurers, for research scientists. We're proud to say that TESPAC has reached 3 of the highest peaks in the world and also has reached the Antarctica. We need your help in order to bring these powerhouses from the extreme to the city. Now, I have a question for yourself. Do you want to be the master of your own energy?